So the School of International Engagement brought together partners to support the School of Business's Global Business Challenge in a way to really deepen and engage our partnerships with international institutions overseas. We manage partnerships with over 17 schools around the world, and we're really excited in particular to have our very devoted partner, Universidades Especiales Espiritu Santo of Guayaquil, Ecuador, participate in the International Global Business Challenge.
The Global Business Challenge came about by a collaboration between 6 universities. There is 1 university in Finland, 3 in the UK, 1 in the United States, and 1 in Ecuador. And we all got together saying it would be really cool, seeing as we can't go anywhere, to actually see if we could do a virtual exchange.
The role of the faculty coach in this project is we help guide the students through their business challenge. And as they are working as a team, we try to pick up on areas of maybe contention or areas that they're struggling with and guide them to the next step to ensure that they're making some progress on the business challenge, while also just playing a support role and really just being there, making sure they're meeting some learning outcomes for the course and for their business challenge project.
What made me want to be part of the Global Business Challenge was the opportunity to work with students my age from other countries and to work with global companies on their challenges and their problems and to provide them with some insights and good ideas as to what they can do to be successful in their business.
It's been so impactful and mind-opening and eye-opening for me as a student. And it's just been such a great opportunity. The most important lesson I have learned has again been communication. Really push your ideas and don't give up on. If you think you have a good idea, keep going with it because it could be a breakthrough within your team and really allow you to give the best deliverable possible to your customer and your client and for that company.
They're going to have to collaborate beyond borders. This is an opportunity for them to work with others that they wouldn't have normally worked with, and collaboration is just something that they're gonna have to do, and we do it every day. So this is a great opportunity for them.